Guys, welcome back here. This is verified drops. So we are here again with another airdrop from the MOONZIX, and here we just get started. Then you fill in the email address you want to use, you create an account with their wallet. You get 3.80 USDT instantly, and you can withdraw it. Like, you can withdraw this instantly, and the token you get is GWT. You see, I'm having 1000 GWT here. I'll be sharing my referral link in the description section so you guys can participate and also enjoy this. So remain calm. Okay, so once you do this, you keep on referring your friends and family. So you see you have 100 GWT per every friend. Like, that's worth $0.38. So like, it's awesome. Don't you think this is awesome? You guys should give it a try. Yeah, give it a try. And also you can connect it with your wallet, either BitKeep or Trustwallet. So let's connect it. So we connect it with our BitKeep wallet just once. Okay, so let's see. So you see wallet connecting. Okay, approve, connected. So you see it's connected already, and that's it. Like, if you want to withdraw any amount of GWT, you enter the amount of GWT you want to withdraw here. So like this, I'm still having 1200 GWT, so I'm not yet up to the 5000 GWT per transaction, so I will need to wait. So until I have that, I'll enter the amount here and click on withdraw. So I'll click on it, join just once, you see, and you see it's still loading. So transaction fee not enough to cover for, so you see how much I need for the transaction fee. Okay, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question, let us know in this comment section below. And if you're here to subscribe to our channel, like this is the first time of you watching our video, do so. Until next time guys, peace.